everybody, Tim here from Workshop 12, and I'm coming today to be able to talk to you about a change that we're making to the Genesis Coupe pre-order program. So we're changing it up to be a $200 deposit program instead of paying for the full purchase price. So that $200 deposit is going to go towards the final purchase of your kit. We still have the price listed there of what we think our approximate price is going to be, but that's a deposit to be able to help us move the kit forward and being able to get the manufacturing complete. We've also listed up the different phases that we're going through. So we've already funded and we have the 3D scanning for the vehicle completed. So you can see the next phases that we need. So the next round of funding that we're doing is really to be able to get the 3D modeling done so we can kind of get everything moving along there. So we've opened up that new program. So again, you will put down a $200 deposit. You'll be able to have that go against your final purchase of that kit, and that funding will be able to move us through each of the different phases that we've outlined on the website. So take a look at the website. It'll show you all of the different phases that we're going through there as we fund them and as we have progress on them. We'll be posting updates so everybody can keep up to date on everything that's going on with being able to bring that kit to market. So that's our deposit program. We have it up and going right now. If we can get that funding done, as soon as we hit the right amount of funding to be able to move to the next phase, then we'll fund that next phase and we will get it going. So again, there's no deadline to be able to get your pre-order deposit in, but the faster that we get those deposits, the quicker that we're able to move that project forward, and we'll keep everybody up to date on where we are on the funding level to be able to move that project forward. So thanks again for joining, and we hope to see you guys putting those deposits down on that kit, and we will make it happen for you.